Welcome to another episode of Cruising with Christ. My name is Pastor Ken. We are going to be putting door seals on the 2013 Charger. Let's go. Alright, so I got Windex, a towel, and I got my door seals. Let's open them up, see what they look like. They are reflective door seals with the Dodge emblem on them. And we got enough for each one, so let's get to it. So we're about to use the spray just to clean the door seals real good before we put them down. So all that dirt. All right. And you see we got two long ones, we got two short ones. Of course, the two long ones go in the front and the two short ones go in the back. So let's go ahead and install them. All right, I just installed all of them and they look amazing. So let's check them out. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. And please hit the like and subscribe button so you can get all the latest content that we're doing on this channel. We thank everybody for coming in and checking us out. And of course, we have plenty more mods to do. So look out for that. And as always, stay cruising with Christ.